Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. Time freedom is the main thing. Financial freedom just follows that. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a place, a channel that I could have gone to find information and honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free. And let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, guys? Back for another review with Get Free with Annie. This one is on Passive Income Breakthrough, aka the Day Job Destroyer. What is it? Let's get right into it. It's an online course teaching you how to put together and sell courses around a subject or multiple subjects of your choosing, with the end goal being to create a passive income stream for yourself. It covers all steps of this process, from designing your product to making landing pages to getting it in front of the right audience, which is important. Who was it created by? Rob Weiser, a successful Clickbank vendor who has been a Clickbank Platinum member in the past, which means he has been in the top 1% of Clickbank vendors. What's different about it? It focuses primarily on showing you how to make sales through affiliate marketers instead of being an affiliate marketer. So you learn about how to get your product onto Clickbank and how important affiliate marketers are to the success of your product. Rob also covers how to outsource the entire product creation process to professionals for a low cost, which is very different from other courses. What else? Rob provides a free webinar where you can learn all about his course in depth before making a decision on whether or not you want to buy it. I like it when course creators have a webinar all about their product first. You generally receive a ton of valuable information in the webinars anyways, so even if you don't end up buying the product, you still get a lot of good value from the webinar for free. And also, you can usually tell from the first 15 minutes of a webinar if it's going to be something that you're interested in. What's included? In total, there are 5 modules. Module 1 is learning the basics. Module 2 is creating your product. Module 3 is how to convince customers to buy your product. Module 4 is email marketing. Module 5 is publishing your course and opening an affiliate program. There are tons of bonuses included. You actually get a full recording of the workshop he did in Thailand, which most people paid $2,000 for. You also get quite a few bonuses: rapid fire product creation, product persuasion, outsourcing secrets. These are all just extra trainings that go in depth on how to be successful with your business. You also get lifetime updates, so you don't have to pay monthly or pay when he updates his course. So how does it work? It's basically a 3-step program designed to move you towards your passive income business by copying what Rob has done with his own product creation and passive income generating business, which is doing niche research and determining what you want your course to be about, using the product creation formula and getting your product on Clickbank with and then selling it through landing pages and emailing. And then step 3 is how to get affiliate marketers to start selling and promoting your product for you. Who is it for? Anyone looking for a course to help get your product that you already have online. Anyone looking for a way to help you make one of your ideas or expertise into a digital product. Anyone looking for a legitimate way to make passive income. And anyone who has a digital product already or an idea for one and just doesn't know how to get it online. Who is it not for? It's not for people who don't want to create their own product and would just rather sell other people's products. Pros. It shows you how to create any product in any niche and get it online for people to buy. It shows you how to use affiliate marketers to sell your product so you don't have to do all the marketing and find all the traffic yourself. It's a one-time investment. There's no monthly cost. It's good for beginners. There is a high earning potential. The creator is a well-known, successful online entrepreneur. No fake gurus here. There's a very in-depth training, and you can test drive the course for $7.99 when you're on the sales page. If you move your mouse out like that and this pops up and you click this button, you can get it for $77.99, although you don't get access to the entire course. Cons. It's a little bit sales pitchy. This sales page is super long. I couldn't really find any testimonials on how well this program works, and there's not really a huge support community, just a small Facebook group. Cost. It's $397. It's not if you act now, it's always $397. You'll also come to some optional upsells. There's an extreme income multiplier that's $97, and it's showing you how to reach out and find the best affiliate marketers to promote your product. This is a way to get your product in front of a lot more people without having to pay for traffic yourself, so it's a pretty good value, I think. Optional upsell number 2 is how to build $1 million email list, which is $197, and it's showing you how to build a list of subscribers who visit your page when they opt in. This is a very good asset to have if you don't know how to build your own email list. Somewhere around 20% of people who don't buy your product the first time will buy it later from an email, and that is an asset that you can have and continue to send and promote products to these people for years to come. Is there a guarantee? Yes, there is. It's a Clickbank product, which means it has a 60-day money-back guarantee that's really easily obtained. So my final verdict, overall, this is a great course for anyone who wants to create and sell their own digital product. It's very step-by-step, and it gives you a lot of different options on how to sell your product and run your business. Once you have put in the work, this could become a very passive income stream for several years to come, especially if your product is selling very well. If your product does not sell at all, then the story will be a little bit different. So you do need to have a good product in order for this to be a good course for you to want to take, or a good idea for a product. I like that Rob is showing you how to create your own product and have other affiliate marketers sell it for you. Most courses created by such big entrepreneurs like him are courses on how to sell their product and make them more money. I'm not hating because everyone's got to make money, but I really appreciate the fact that this guy's showing you how to do the same thing he is and make your own money from your own product, not just help make him money. Also, to me, $397 is a reasonable price. I do recommend this course for sure. It's created by a real dude, no fake guru. He's showing you a real way to create passive income, and it's a fair price. So all in all, I recommend it. You can grab the link in the description, and thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.